the solution to this example. So over here, what we want is Excel to look for that word, total opening bank balance, in this list, find it, and bring through that number. Then in period 2, same thing, look for the matching word and bring through the number from here. So we're going to use our VLOOKUP. And what we're going to say is we need it to look up that word. Where must it look it up? So it needs to look it up here, and we're going to highlight all of these, and we're going to go down to there, and we're going to include everything that we may want to bring back. And we're definitely going to put our dollar signs there. The column index number, based on the table I've given it, I want column 2, because that's 1, 2. So I could type a 2 in. For now we're going to do that, but then I'll show you just now the use of this. Range lookup, we wanted to find exactly that wording, so we put a false. When I say OK, it gives me 458190. Now the problem with this is it'll work nicely this way, so you can check it, it works well. But when I copy it across, I've got two problems here. Firstly, the 2 has been forced in there, so I would have to now go in here and physically type 3 and then copy and paste and physically type 4. Notice up here we've got these numbers, so instead of typing a column number we could refer to that. The other problem is we've got an NA. Let's just check why that is, and you'll see because of the way I set it up, when I copied it to the right, instead of looking still at the wording, it's now moved one more column, so it's trying to find that number in that list. So that's obviously a mistake. So let's just delete this for now and build it the proper way. So firstly, the lookup value must always look at column C. So I'm going to put a dollar sign in front of the C. And then this column index number, instead of me typing a 2, I'm going to say look at that cell there. But again, we must be careful because when I copy it down, I don't want it to come down with me. So it must always look at row 45. So put the dollar sign in. And that seems to work. Let's copy it down. That's fine. Copy it across. So that seems to work. And let's just do a spot check. So total closing bank balance 353. So that number there. Total payment 7193. Total payment 7193. So now what it means is that next month or any month, this moving target will make static, and once we have the numbers here, we can do ratios and graphs. And now we can take our formulas, copy them, and let's go to the next month. What I should be able to do is just paste them in here. And because of the way the formulas have been built, it's looking for the word total receipts, it's looking for that column. So it's saying 43563, total receipts 43563. So from now on, you just need to take these formulas and copy them, and it won't matter where the items are.